All right, so because of the issues with Zoom, what we're going to do is we're going to do a before, during, and after again. And you are going to do this experiment at home. I'm going to show you what to do, and then you're going to do it on your own. All right, so I have a dirty penny, okay, one dirty penny, and one thing of hot sauce. I didn't bring it up again. All right, so I'm going to take the hot sauce, and I'm going to pour it over the penny. Then I'm going to let it sit there for probably about 5 minutes. And then I'm going to take a paper towel and I'm going to clean the penny off. All right? So you're going to be doing your before, during, and after doing this experiment at home. Because I'm sure you can probably find a dirty penny, and you probably have some, and it doesn't matter what kind of hot sauce you have. It could be Taco Bell, it could be Tapatía, it could be anything, all right? So it doesn't really matter what kind of hot sauce it is. You just need some kind of sauce. And then you let, like I said, you let it sit for 5 minutes, and then you clean it off. It's not a very complicated experiment. Any questions on that part?
I have a question.
Yes.
Do you want us to do the experiment now, or would you say
I'm going to show you what to do and what you have to turn in, and then we're going to get off Zoom before it crashes, hopefully, and then you're going to take a picture of it and include it in your upload for the assignment. Okay? So that's what, normally I would have you do it, we would be doing it all together, but because of the Zoom thing, I don't want to be in the middle of it and have it go out. All right? So this is your setup, and now I'm going to go over the assignment. Smaller. So you're going to do the same thing that you did before, the before, during, and after. You're going to have the title, and it's going to be the taco sauce penny. You're going to put your name and period up at the top of the paper. You're going to, this time you need, before you start, you need to do this. You need to write, what do I think is going to happen? So you saw what I did. You should be thinking about what you think is going to happen. The before, you're going to draw your dirty penny and the whatever hot sauce you have. Make sure you label it. Make sure there's color. The during is basically what this is. Okay, it's just sitting there with the hot sauce on it. And then the after will be after you clean off the penny. All right? So make sure you label, make sure you use color. And then at the end, you need to do your explanation of what you think happened. You need to do color, picture, and text. Okay? And I also want you to include a picture of your experiment. So just take a photo of it and upload it. And that'll be part of your assignment. Okay? This is due today, because you're going to have the entire period to work on it, and there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to finish it. Now, I'm still in the process of grading the before, during, and afters of what we did the first time. Most people did, okay, can you tell her that I'm going to post this video on Google Classroom so she can watch it? Okay, so I'm recording this so you can go back if you need to. What was I saying? Oh, I'm in the process of grading your before, during, and afters. Most of them look pretty good. Some people didn't really do an explanation. Some people didn't do what do I think is going to happen. Most people did pretty good on the before, during, and after. A few people didn't label very well, but in general they were pretty good. This, and as long as you did it, you should get your 10 points. This time I'm going to be more critical. So if you leave out something, then you're going to lose points. Okay, so this is, I'm going to say, this is your first real assignment. The other ones were just preparing and, you know, getting ready for it. Any questions on this? All right, the second part of your assignment is to look up chemical reactions. Oh, I should put an S on that. In the textbook. And if you don't have the textbook, look it up on the internet. All right, look up chemical reactions. I want you to tell me what are the indicators of a chemical reaction and what is a physical change. I want this as graphic notes. So it should have color, picture, and text. You should be able to do this all on probably 1 or 1.5 pages. Okay, it shouldn't be more than 2 pages. All right, let's say 1 to 2 pages. All right, then you need to upload the before, during, and after today. And this is also going to count as your attendance. Because we won't be online very long, this will be your attendance to show that you did the work for today. All right? Is everybody clear with that? So even if, for those people that are having trouble logging on, if they do this, they'll get their attendance put in for today. Okay? And then the graphic notes are due before Wednesday's class. So let's say Tuesday midnight. All right, so the graphic notes are due by Tuesday midnight before class on Wednesday morning. Any questions? Comments, concerns, anything? All right, I will be here. If you need help, just send me a remind, and if you need to log on to Zoom, we'll try if you need to. But otherwise, just send me a text and I'll get right back to you. Okay? Anything, you guys? I know this isn't exactly the way we want to start our Monday, but I guess it's our new reality. So, that is your assignment for today. And if you look, make sure that you make observations. Let's see if I can I know it's a little hard to see, that's why it'll be a little bit easier on your penny. But make sure that you look and make observations of what's happening to the penny. All right? Anything else? All right, well then have a great day. And if you have questions, let me know. All right? Okay, go do your experiment. Oh, there's one question. Let's see what it is. Oh, let's do it for 5 minutes. Leave the hot sauce on for 5 minutes. That's a good question. For 5 minutes. All right? All right, so that's it. If you have a question, I'll stay for a minute. And don't forget to, I haven't put the stuff on Google Classroom yet, but I will. It could be, your picture could be either before or after. All right, anything else? All right, see you Wednesday, I guess.